Hello everybody, in this video I want to introduce you to this amazing AI product called Feedeo. What they do is to generate AI-powered interactive videos which help you generate leads, showcase products, gamify engagement, and collect feedback. They look something like this.
Welcome to our survey. Please indicate your overall satisfaction by choosing the smiley face that best represents your feelings.
This can help you in areas such as marketing, sales, recruitment, e-commerce, and education. They are also the kind sponsors of this video, and I'll show you all the steps needed to have your AI avatar ready to go. Alright, let's get started. Now, as you see on their pricing page, you can get started for free, but if you have a big business, I highly recommend signing up for the Pro plan. After you log in, the interface here looks something like this. You have a bunch of templates arranged according to the categories that I mentioned before. To get started, just click the Create Video button on the right and go to your preferred category. For this video, I'm going to go for recruitment and choose the template for video screening. Here, we're going to have an AI avatar do video screening of candidates for your company. That way, your recruiting team will be saved from the task of doing the preliminary interviews of candidates. So I'm going to go click here. Now, as you see, we have our human-like AI avatar who will now interview candidates. Now, I'm going to show you how to edit the options on the left and right to gear this towards your business. But before that, I want to see a live demo of how this looks like. So I'm going to click this button called Live Demo on the right and play this video.
Welcome to our candidate screening video. In the following steps, we will gather more information about you to better match your professional background and interests. Firstly, please leave your contact information.
Alright, that looks pretty good. Let's assume your company's name is called Sodapop Tech and you're screening candidates for the role of software engineer. The first thing we do is to select an avatar and their voice. I'm going to look through some of the pre-existing avatars right here, or I can upload my own image here using this upload button right here. I'm going to select this one. Now let's find a voice which matches her. We have Monica,
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like that.
or maybe Sophie,
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like that.
or maybe Allison.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like that.
Okay, maybe that works. So I'm going to click that and I'm going to keep the language as English. And here we can edit the script according to our needs. So since our company's name is called Sodapop, I'm going to say welcome to Pop Tech. Please provide your information for the role of software engineer. All right. And then we have the preliminary questions such as requesting the name, email, and the phone number of the candidate, the years of work experience they have, and their educational background. I'm going to keep all of those the same and click Publish on the right. Now this says this will be ready in approximately 2 to 5 minutes. What I've seen is that it usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. Right, it says the video has been successfully published. You can just copy paste this link. I'm going to click view this link right here. Let's see what she sounds like.
Welcome to Sodapop Tech. Please provide your information for the role of software engineer.
Okay, it looks like I made a mistake here and did not complete the word software engineer, but that's okay. You get an idea of how this works. Now, I just filled out information for a fake candidate and I'm going to click submit. Now, as you saw, it asked me how many years of professional experience I have. So we have the options 1 to 2 years, 3 to 5 years, or more than 5 years. Let's go for more than 5 years.
Please provide information about your education background, including degrees and relevant majors.
All right, it wants to know what kind of degrees I have. I'm going to say I have a master's degree in computer science and a bachelor's degree in electronics. I am also AWS certified. All right, those are all the credentials I wanted to mention. Now I'm going to click submit.
Thank you for your patience in answering the questions. We will contact you shortly. Good luck.
All right, so that was pretty nice. It asked me some basic questions about my educational background. Usually, this is the initial phone screen that we get as a software engineer, asking us what kind of experience we have and what credentials we have, and see if they can match the current role to our credentials. So now, since we have a bunch of responses, I can go to this section called Responses and look to see what was submitted. Alright, it has successfully collected all the information from our initial form. We have the username or the name of the candidate as Jack Dorsey. We have the phone number that I provided, and we have their email. Now, these are the default options that are provided as a part of the recruiting AI avatar. You can edit this builder around according to your needs, such as if you want to rename this to, and click enter. And we can also add any sections in the middle using this plus button right here. You can say maybe certifications. All right, I think you get the idea of how generating the AI avatar works, and you can try this out for a bunch of different templates to see which one you specifically need. I have mostly worked in the tech industry, and they have a lot of issues screening candidates sometimes, so I think this one is relevant if I were to start a business. And if you maybe have an e-commerce business where you are focused on lead generation, this might be pretty useful. Or if you want to collect feedback, this one called Feedback Survey might be useful. So pick and choose according to what fits your needs. Alright, that's all I have for you today. I hope you got a good idea of how Feedeo works so you can sign up and try it out yourself. Now, while selecting a plan, there's a few things you must take into account. For example, in the free plan, you're restricted to 50 responses collected by your AI avatars per month, but in the pro plan, it's around 5,000. Similarly, there's also character limits on the script. For example, 3,000 characters for the free plan and 1,500 characters for the pro plan. And if you want to remove the Feedeo logo, which is important to scale your own business, it's important to get a pro plan because in the first two options, you're going to still see the word Feedeo. If you have any questions, make sure to add a comment. Or if you have a question for the Feedeo team directly, you can click this button on the right called Get Support, which connects you to their Discord account, and there you can ask any specific questions about Feedeo directly to their team. If this was your first time to my channel, thanks for watching. Make sure to click the like button and subscribe to my channel for a lot more videos similar to this. Thank you so much.